Because of the pandemic, I had to cancel my trip to Japan. Besides, I just realized that my passport expired. Besides this YouTube channel, I also have a podcast to help you learn English. I was thinking about hiring another person to help me here at Happy English, but it's really hard to find someone. Furthermore, having staff is a little bit stressful. Furthermore? Does anybody still use furthermore? Let's study together. Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and thank you so much for joining me today for this English vocabulary lesson. We use besides, furthermore, and moreover to introduce additional information to what was just said. These three words come up a lot in the TOEIC and other English exams. But even if you're not planning on taking an exam, I'm sure this lesson is going to be helpful for you. We use besides to introduce an additional reason to what was just mentioned. I'm working a part-time job on weekends to learn more about the restaurant business. Besides, the extra money comes in handy. Well, the company decided to hire Janice because she has all of the necessary qualifications. Besides, she's worked in this industry for over 5 years. We can also use besides plus a noun to show that there is something additional. Besides Kevin, Tom and Donna joined me for lunch. We found a number of problems with that proposed location besides the high cost of the rent. Next is furthermore. Furthermore, we use furthermore followed by a subject and verb to introduce additional information that might be new to the listener. If you're thinking, well, Michael, I really haven't heard people say furthermore much, you're right. That's because furthermore is generally used in formal situations and written English. Yes, next on the agenda, the construction of the new factory has been delayed mostly because of the budget. Furthermore, the project manager has failed to obtain the necessary permits. Hey, here's the memo from the HR department. It says, effective immediately, all employees will be required to submit their vacation requests 2 weeks in advance. Furthermore, no vacation requests will be accepted between the months of November and January. In a similar way, we use moreover to introduce new information. Moreover is very formal and is generally used in written English. Well, let me tell you, among all of the candidates, Mr. Hampton is the least qualified. Moreover, he has little experience in this industry. Well, I'll tell you, according to this spreadsheet, it looks like sales of new products dipped 20% since last quarter. Moreover, orders during this quarter have been sluggish as well. Keep in mind, the best way to remember vocabulary is to take the word or phrase that you want to remember, write it in a sentence that's true for you, and then memorize your sentences. Better yet, why not take some of your sentences and drop them into the comments below? I'd love to see your examples. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comments below, and I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.